The praying mantis has 360-degree vision, but it hasn't seen the danger that is now approaching. A panther chameleon. Every part of its body has become specialised for a life of stealth among the branches. Its toes have become grasping pincers. Its eyes rotate so it can look in all directions. Its skin can change colour for camouflage or to signal emotions. The chameleon body is concealed from both predator and prey, so it can launch a surprise attack. The tongue is like a missile, aimed at its prey's head to neutralise its defences. Chameleons, in short, are so perfectly adapted to a life spent hunting in trees that it's hard to imagine how they could live anywhere else.